Hey guys, it's Five Creeper, and today I'll be making a review, but there is a new Roblox hacker. What it is called? Wait, Blox Kill 666.
No, you're so.
Here he is. He's online. Look, targets: Dennis, Dave, Poke, Dancing M, Sketch, Jelly, and Albert. And that's his game.
Hacker Place.
Hacker Place. So, let's see what's in it. Oh God. A little fire. Oh, kidding me. Dancing Albert's. Sketch. Poke, Digger, One. Dennis, Stevie, and Jelly. Oh God. That's all his targets, guys. But look. Daddy, I'm coming to rescue you. That's Daddy. This is creepy. Alrighty. Sky's normal, but the ground. Ugh. The eye. Well,
Albert.
alright. Let's get it. Let's see. Wait. Oops. Now we gotta see all my stuff. Let me get back on. Ow. But I'm with my sister. But Blox. Wait. Blox Kill 666. Blox Kill 666. Here is it. Here he is. He's not even that creepy. But almost his shirt is over 8 Robux. So he got some Robux. Wait. Guys? I think I know this guy's password.
Mama, click yes!
Because he got 666 in it. That means he got some having to do with 666 in his password. But first we're gonna do that. But we're gonna do that at the last of the video. So let's look at it in his inventory. Let's look. Inventory. Shirts. Oh God, he got this. Wow. Wow. He got that too. That's the only thing he has. Alright. Now, let's try to see if I can figure out this dude's password. Wait. I'm walking out. No. Wait. Blox Kill 666. Is it Blox or 666? No, it's not. Is it Jelly 666? Because he got Joey as a target. Alright, last try. Is it guest 666? Wait. Oh! I just forgot his password, guys! Oh, this is the only games he plays? What? Hang on. He got 42 Robux. 42.
Spin something.
I just literally figured out the new password.
What's his password?
His password is guess 666. Wow. Wow. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna give him something.
Wait, what? He would like that one.
Wait. I know it's gonna be something funny. Let's edit his game. Let's edit it. He's gonna be so mad at me. Oh, we don't hack my account. His password will be in the link description. His password. Oh, that's it. You got admin? Wow. Whoever wants to do the count, just go on the link description and copy it. Then to go on his account and do anything what you want. Alright? So, did he make these cages? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. He made those cages. The green cage. You know what? We're gonna do something funny. We're gonna put some poop in this game. This dude's gonna be mad. Put a big, giant turd in his game. Right on the eyeball. And I go D. Right on the eyeball. Now his eyeball is just poop. He's gonna be mad, guys. Because someone's hacked into his account. And that's me. We just put poop. That's a little nasty right there. Sorry guys, I'm whispering.
What? Okay, tell me.
Alright. Sorry guys, I was whispering to my sister. Let's put a toilet in this game. Yeah.
But put it down below.
And let's make it big. I don't like tiny toilets.
Ew, worms.
I like big
Look at
toilets.
the worms.
That's poop.
No, worms are in the poop. Look.
Boom. This. This game is ruined, guys. But obviously, I'm not gonna do any. I'm not gonna change anything because I have a feeling to hack my account. So put everything back. I'll just put.
No! Why do you want the YouTubers to be captured?
But it's new to hacker. But guys, if you want this account, just go to the link in the description. Right? Yeah. Now let's get sword. He always like the sword. Well, that's it. Now That was crazy. He only got 42 Robux. But it was by Sophie. Right? Now it's gonna be funny, guys. You know it's gonna be funny? We're gonna take away all his Robux. Yep. We're gonna do clothing, shirts, and we're gonna get something for 42 Robux. 42, 42, go. Hey, let's just give him a dance EDM shirt, because that's one of his targets. I just took away all his Robux. Ha! That what you get, hacker. Well, rip his Robux. This might have been, that might have been a fake hacker, so yeah, let's get better at my account. Alright, but that's it for this video. I just went on to a hacker's account. Yep, bye.